Day 4. Day 4. Day 4. Day 4.
Peace YouTube, who is Sugar, back with another video, baby. This is a home video and I'm going to show you all how I transform my messy and cluttered laundry room into a space that I absolutely love. Now, the first part of this video was recorded December 2019. All right, so this is the laundry room. I will insert the dimensions of the laundry room in the video. I didn't do any cleaning or prepping in here to make it look like I got my mess together because I really don't. Now, these are all the chemicals, cleaning supplies, detergent, and random light bulbs and such. That's right there. Here is a laundry basket that actually belong in the girls' room. This stuff here, things that goes to one of my sisters. We have a trash can and we have some laundry baskets here and some towels and things. You're probably wondering why the towels are sitting right there. That is because they were wet at some point and I don't want to put them in the basket and they get like real funky, so that I have them up there to dry before I place them in the basket. We have a gate, we have a drying rack, some additional closet leftover stuff from when I did my daughter's closet. Here is a laundry basket that I absolutely love. I'm not even sure why all this mess is even in here. So this right here is going to the SPCA. It's like old sheets and towels and things like that. I donate that end of the year. I believe I have this up here. I'm sure the little one was messing with it, so that's why the recycle bin is here. But it's not a whole lot of stuff that's in here that actually belongs in there. There's a coat hanging here. Got this coat from Anthropologie, and when we ordered it, it smelled like somebody was smoking. So yeah, we had to let that thing air out. We have a washer and dryer. There's some baskets full of random socks. We're not sure where the mate is, and then some attachments for the vacuum cleaner. In this closet right here is an extra linen closet that has towels that we use for cleaning and washing the car and extra bedding and things like that. Yeah, this is what we have. This is what we're working with. Everything was removed from the laundry room except for the washing machine. The shelf was removed. The walls were prepped and washed. Since I removed the dryer, I decided to clean the lint tunnel. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a lint tunnel that is between your walls and the lint will come shooting out the side of your house. I don't know what the thing is called, but they make these little brushes and you attach it to a drill. You stick it on in there and it will clean all of the lint that is inside of that tunnel. Now on to one of my favorite things to do, and that is painting. I love to paint a wall. It's so therapeutic.
Get down.
I didn't record myself installing the shelving system, but it's very simple. It's a track system. You find the stud, you hang the track, and then you hang the other tracks from the track that you stuck on the stud. Very simple. Now let's take a look at the after. And yes, this door still swings. I haven't had a chance to get it fixed. And I'm not even sure I'm going to get it fixed because honestly, it's not bothering anyone. So look at it. I'm so proud of how this room came out. Now, a few things here. You saw from the previous footage, I painted it the same sort of beigey color just to keep it clean and bright. I do plan on putting some artwork here on the walls. I just haven't found the artwork that I would like to use. Now, let's start from the bottom and work our way up here. As you can see, I have a different floor. If you follow me on Twitter, you guys know that there were three floods that popped off in my house. 2 of the 3 floods resulted in us getting brand new flooring here in the bathroom that's on the other side of this wall and flooring downstairs. Y'all, it was just a complete mess. Now, let's come over here. I've had this coat rack in my possession for a number of years. It used to be downstairs, but I took it down because it didn't work anymore and it was just kind of sitting there. And I said, I need to figure out a way to use this because I didn't want to throw it away. So I decided to use it as a missing sock rack. We are always missing socks here. So what I do is, if I can't find the mate, we slap it on here. And after a while, if we can't find the missing sock, we'll just toss it or use it for cleaning. The same with shoestrings. I'm not sure where the other shoestring is, but I don't want to toss it just yet. Now we have two hampers in here. The first hamper is actually a side table. I used to have this downstairs, but I changed my color scheme so it didn't work anymore. So I use this for a hamper. And also sometimes you just need to just sit down for a minute. If you're washing clothes or waiting for something to dry or you're hiding from the kids, sometimes you just come in here and sit and chill out for a minute. I know what you're thinking, but Shug, does the clothes get stinky in there? And the answer is no, because one, I don't put anything wet in here and I wash clothes pretty frequently, so it doesn't have a chance to get funky or what have you. Now we have another laundry basket here that I picked up from IKEA. I prefer this style of basket than the one that was previously in here. Coming up, we still have our recycle and our trash can for lint and such. If you have been following me for a good little while, you guys know that I homeschool and we have lots and lots of paper. So we put recyclable materials in here instead of having to take it downstairs. It's just very convenient. Now, let's talk about the system that I have set up here. Originally, it was just one shelf that was going across, and I found that that wasn't enough storage for me. So I picked up one of these closet shelving systems that I actually have in my daughter's closets. And the cool thing is you can configure this thing so many different ways. So I had to play around with it until I found a design that worked for me. To get rid of the visual clutter of the bottles and containers sitting on the shelves, I picked up these baskets from IKEA to store like items inside. So here we have all of our bleaches. Here we have our detergents. Here we have miscellaneous cleaning supplies like Clorox wipes and also miscellaneous grooming stuff like spray for your shoes, leather conditioner, the little lint roller, things like that. Over here, we have our irons and our steamer. Listen, John from Twitter put me on to this here steamer, and I'm telling you, it's probably like one of the best things I've ever picked up. I use it to steam curtains and everything other than clothes, because I for real don't be ironing. But yes, I love, 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 love this thing. To break up some of the industrialness that's happening in here, I have these little vases. My mom gave me these because she got them from someone else. And I just put them in here, put some faux flowers in here, and it just gives it a nice little touch. Now these were a different color. I spray painted them a matte finish. Up here, we have our plant supplies. Remember all those light bulbs I had that were just strewn all on top of that one shelf? I have them all grouped here. Hand soap, bathroom cleaners, floor cleaners, Drano, a bucket, and also a spray bottle. Also, I have a variety of hangers. When I wash the girls' clothing, like their outdoor sort of clothing, I rarely put them in the dryer to preserve them. So I hang them up with these hangers here. Now, I also showed in the previous video how I just spray painted these with the same spray paint that I used to paint these here. This drying rack used to live over here, but now it lives over here. Now the closet is still the same. I find that having an over-the-door ironing board hook thing frees up a lot of space. We have two linen closets. One is in here and then there is another one in the hallway. We keep the industrial type of towels in here, like the towels that we use to clean the car. If there's a spill somewhere, we keep those in here. Now let's take a look at my shelf. Filters are behind here. One thing that I do is I set a reminder for myself on my phone, like I think it's like 3 months to change the filters. This big bag contains other paper bags, and I like to use paper bags if I'm giving things away. I can just grab a paper bag out of here. Space bags, love me some space bags. Like, they're seriously the best thing ever. I've been using space bags for years, and it helps to free up a lot of space. Here we have some towels, some more towels. Remember, these were on the shelf before, but I just put them here in the closet. If you've been with me for a while, remember the jean shower curtain I used to have at my old house? I refuse to get rid of this thing, y'all, like, for real, because it took me forever to make it, and I'm still holding on to it. Down here, we have miscellaneous things. This is one of the racks that goes in the dryer if you want to lay something flat to dry. These are the extras from the shelving unit. We have a comforter down here that I should probably put in a space bag, because if I put it in a space bag, it won't be so bulky. And lastly, we have these balls. But shit, why you got balls in your laundry room? That is because if I'm drying something that is down, I throw these balls in the dryer with the down item. And that is it for the laundry room. Oh, no, it's not. I almost forgot. Now, there used to be a boob light up here. You know what the boob light is? It looks like a boob. But I took that down and I installed one of these lights here. I picked up this light from CB2. I love it because it is clean and it is simple. So that is it for my... Ma'am. I swear. I know what you're thinking, but Shug, does this room stay clean? And the answer is yes. Things don't pile up in here because we have a better system and we are really working on making sure we put things where they belong. So that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have not done so, subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every day for Vlogmas. And also turn on your notifications so you'll know when I upload a video. All right, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Be blessed. Peace.